Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon and again click on this reset top, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your phone is restart and your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache. After click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app and click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset, click on erase all data and enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.